And it was 1 week ago today when 6 tornadoes struck Clark, Greene, Miami, Warren, and Fayette counties. The National Weather Service says 4 of those tornadoes were categorized as EF0s. The other 2 were EF1s. And the most significant damage was done in Park Lane in Clark County. Officials say it's a miracle no one was injured there. And the tornadoes created quite a bit of damage, even though they really weren't on the ground for that long. Storm Team 2 meteorologist Tara Hastings has an update on where and when those twisters touched down.
Well, the first tornado warning popped up shortly before 6:30 in Preble County, but no tornado was confirmed to have touched down there. But just a few hours later, half a dozen tornadoes touched down. Between 7:55 p.m. and 10:15, 6 tornadoes touched down around the Miami Valley. The first one was down in Warren County. This is around 7:55. It was on the ground for about a quarter of a mile. This one rated an EF0. The second tornado touched down in Greene County, just to the west of Xenia, around 8:26. It was on the ground for 2.7 miles and had winds of about 65 miles per hour, rating an EF0. 1 minute later, another tornado developed. This one out in Fayette County and then moved into western Greene County. This one stayed on the ground for 3 miles, was rated an EF0 with winds near 50 miles per hour. The fourth one touched down in Greene County near Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. EF0 tornado, that was what that was rated on the ground. It was also on the ground for about 9 minutes and traveled 2.5 miles. The strongest tornado of the night hit Park Lane. This was rated an EF1 tornado with winds near 100 miles per hour, traveled about 4.5 miles before it lifted just before 2:01. The sixth tornado of the night was in Miami County, just to the south of Piqua. It was on the ground for only about a minute or so, but packed winds near 90 miles per hour, classifying it as an EF1 tornado. Now, these 6 tornadoes tied for the most twisters in one day for the Miami Valley in the past 5 years. I'm meteorologist Tara Hastings, 5 on 2.